Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check if trim is enabled on your SSD in Windows 11. It's super simple and only takes a minute, so let's get started. First off, what is trim? Trim is a feature that helps your SSD stay fast and healthy over time by telling it which files are no longer needed and can be wiped internally. Without it, your SSD can slow down as you use it more. Alright, now to check if trim is enabled, go ahead and click on the Start menu, then type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. You might see a pop-up asking for permission, just click Yes. Now in the black command prompt, window, just type the following command, FSUTIL space behavior space query space disable delete. Notify, then press enter. This will return a result, and here is the key part. If it says disable delay, notify equals 0, that means trim is enabled and everything is working as it should. But if it says disable delete, notify equal 1, that means trim is disabled and you will want to turn it back on. To turn trim manually, just type this command into the same window, FSUTIL behavior. Set disable, delete, notify space 0, and press enter. That's it. You have now checked and, if needed, enabled trim on your SSD. Trim is important for maintaining SSD performance, especially if you use your system heavily or do a lot of installs and leads. It helped with you out. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.